No, we didn't lose it. We just, yep. We're still at 10 to 15 minutes adding up milk. We had to start the video over because something happened to the video. I will put both parts up. To recap what we've already done, we've added 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks, 4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of light corn syrup, 24 ounces of evaporated milk, that's 2 cans, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper. Then you're going to add 2 sticks of butter, sugar, and KO syrup to a large heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat. Stir over medium heat until mixture begins to boil between 5 and 10 minutes. Then start adding your evaporated milk. Make up to 15 minutes of the evaporated milk on each can to add, because you don't want no changes in your product. Each can should take you 15 minutes to add it. And keep stirring the whole time. Now you're all caught up. Part 1, cut off. I'm sorry about that, but this is part 2. And I had to do a recap. And it's going to make 80 pieces. You've got to put it in the refrigerator overnight. Then you can take it out and put it in wax paper, wrap it up like Tootsie Roll. We're at the 4.4 minute mark at this point. Now, every time you pour it in, it will bubble up, and clean your sides off as you go. And don't get burnt, because this will set you on for it to be 245 degrees. Last 2 minutes. That's 1 can. Now, see how I told you it bubble up? That's how you know you're doing it right. But be awful careful and scrape down your sides. We'll be back with you after we added the next can. It takes 15 more minutes for the other can. Okay, we're back at the 1 minute mark for our second can. Now, after it gets to the past the 1 minute mark, we're going to test it in ice cold water or a candy thermometer at 245 degrees. And I've got no candy thermometer, so I have to do it the hard way. Okay, let me test this now. It's not at that stage yet. And weather can affect your candy. Can affect it. The candy needs to be at a soft ball in your water. Cold ice water. If it ain't that, you just have to keep on till it reaches 245 degrees. Now we got to stir in vanilla after we get the softball stage. And you got to add 1 teaspoon to your candy. When it reaches 245 degrees at the softball stage, in your water, keep scraping your sides. Let me try this again. Nope, still ain't. We're still stirring it. Ours is still not made a ball yet. We've tested it several times. We changed the water, cleaned the bowl out, and now we're putting ice in it and we're going to test it again. But I think we're about there. Okay. Let's test it again. Here we go. Give it a few seconds now because you want it soft. We test it and we think it's there. Now, if you don't get it to harden up for you, you can peel an apple and put it over top of caramel apples. Okay, put you 1 teaspoon in there. Now we're going to set it off the heat after we put our vanilla in here and stir it up. Go ahead. Okay, we're going to turn it off. We're going to pull it in our thing. Now you can find me on my community page tomorrow. I'll let you know if it turned out or not. But if it don't, I'm just going to cut it up and put it over caramel apples. Oh, yeah. Because I've got plenty of apples. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to let it sit there and cool, and then we're going to stick it in the refrigerator. This is what it looks like. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Look for my community page, and I will tell you if it came out or not, or what we did with it. Thanks for watching.